a moment, a website's going to pop up on your screen, and you're going to get a chance to use pattern blocks to make your own shapes, just like the animated learning video showed us. I have a triangle, a green one, a purple triangle, an orange square, a blue rhombus, a red trapezoid, a white diamond, and a yellow hexagon. There's also a sailboat. If I click that sailboat, there are lots of choices for me to use. I see a big triangle, a big rhombus. I'm going to actually pick this one with all the hexagons on it. When you do it, I want you to pick that same one first. Later, you'll get to try a different one. So I have all those hexagons. Now I want to think, what are some different ways I can make hexagons? There's the obvious way. I can use a big yellow hexagon. I could also do one trapezoid and then another trapezoid. And if I click this little round arrow, I can turn it upside down because that's a non-defining attribute. Do you have some ideas for what else I could do? Maybe I could use these green triangles. Ooh, I think it's working. And then I need to rotate this one. And rotate this one. And rotate one more. So your first job is to see how many different ways you can make a hexagon. Once you're done, at the bottom of your screen, you're going to push this 2-arrow circle. It clears all your work. Goodbye, work. Then you're going to click the sailboat, and then you can choose your own background to try. I'm going to try a big shape this time. How about a triangle? I want to see what shapes I can use to fill in this triangle. Maybe I can put a hexagon here at the bottom and then a triangle inside. I bet I could fit another hexagon. Can I fit 3 hexagons? Wow, I can. Then I'll fill with triangles. Triangle, triangle, triangle. And I need to rotate some triangles so their position changes. What else could I do? I bet I could use some trapezoids. 1 trapezoid, 2 trapezoids, and then I'll rotate a 3rd trapezoid. Should I use hexagons again or trapezoids? I like the trapezoids. I'm going to use 1, 2, and then look, it looks like I need to put a triangle in the middle. I'll do 1 more hexagon, and it looks like I just need some triangles to fill it. I made 1 giant triangle. Now let's count and see how many of each shape I used. Let's start with the green triangles. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write that down on my paper that I have next to me so that I can post that on the discussion board later. I'm going to write 10 triangles. Now let's count my trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Writing it on my paper, 5 trapezoids. Hexagons, 1, 2, 3, 4. Writing it on my paper. I've got it all written down. You're going to share one of the shapes you made on a discussion board. You can do as many shapes as you want. Maybe you want to spend some time here exploring and experimenting. That's fine. Just be sure to write down one shape you made so you can share. It can be one big shape, or maybe you want to share one of the small hexagons you created since I asked you to do that first. Either's fine. Just remember, you're going to write it down to share on a discussion board in a little bit. Good luck. Happy shape making.